In this section, we are going to implement the delete customer feature that allows the admin user to remove a customer from the database. And this is a task list in this section. First, we need to show the delete confirmation dialog, and then we create the delete customer service class and update the customer services class accordingly. This is a user interface designed for the delete customer confirmation dialog. You see, when the admin user clicks the delete hyperlink next to a customer in the customer list page here, delete confirmation dialog appears, asking the admin to make sure that he really wants to remove the customer or not. The message is, are you sure you want to delete the customer with ID, and followed by the actual customer ID. If the admin user clicks OK, the application removes the customer and return to the customer list page with a successful message. And if he clicks cancel, do nothing, and close this dialog,